Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to do a market recap, or actually a live trading review of me making $600 on this particular trade. In today's trading session, I made over $1,700 profit and 7.1K in 4 days. Again, here's all the proof and the profits. But in this specific trade, I'm going to kind of break down the trade I took, why I took it, and what made sense, and so forth. The first thing I kind of want to talk about is today's market was absolutely insane. It just ripped, no retracement, no pullback, no fundamentals. It just looked like a rocket just going to the moon. Very, very hard to enter. Very, very hard to even get in on something over here. So what I did is I waited, right? I waited for a retracement, and I was going to play the next high, because if you guys go to a bigger time frame, there was still a lot more room for the market to continue heading higher. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just sit on my hands. Don't force anything. My team is right there waiting for me to take the trades, and I waited for the market to break this high. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the video. The audio is not working on here, but that's why I muted it. So I'm gonna take this next high break right here. I'm just gonna go in, I believe 2 NQ contracts on that long break right here, saying, okay, if we can continue, we just made a higher low right here, right here, and let's see if we can get more momentum and continue pushing price directly in our favor. Again, my thing is about momentum and about volume, and obviously about trend. If we can have the trend, which is bullish, and momentum on our side, this will be a high play setup. Now, I'm going to be putting my stop loss right below candle low here if we get a pullback to the downside. Okay, but again, I know overall we're super bullish. I still think we have a lot more room. So we're just waiting here. Let me fast forward a little bit for you guys. Here we go. Here's that continuation. Buyers are trying to step into this, and I just want to see a flood of buyers just rip through this price, rip through the next level, and continue higher. And we're doing good. We're up about $340 on the trade. Not bad. I still obviously want a lot more, and see if we can get more momentum off of this trade. Okay, so right now I'm just controlling my stop loss. I don't want to risk too much on the trade. I'm in kind of decently heavy 2 NQ contracts. You guys can see how price moves very, very aggressively if you're just wrong just a little bit. So we can see obviously now we're up about 200, still waiting for more of a push here. And there we go. Now the price is actually moving. Getting my ready to limit sell right here, at least one, up about $520. And obviously now I'm at a break-even stop. So worst case scenario is I make, how much is that? 60 bucks on the trade. So I'm pretty content, pretty happy. Obviously you can see me down here managing the trade, and we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Continuing, about to get out of one of my contracts here. Let's see, there we go. And I just got out of my contracts, making that $620, which was pretty fire. So again, that's the trade that I kind of want to show you guys: a momentum breakout and continuation play. Again, the overall market was absolutely kind of insane, just ripping, and it's very hard to catch these plays. Even though we know the overall momentum and volume is bullish, if there's no retracement, it's hard to just get in at a good period. We don't just want to buy because the market's going up. That's not a strategy. That's just hoping that we just continue ripping. So that's why it took us a little longer to get that little bit of retracement and then that continuation. Anyways, hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see every single one of you guys in the next one.